everyone, welcome to Keeping Up with Linda. Today I'm going to make baby pickled onions. This recipe is really easy to make and really good to eat. So let's get to it. So all we're going to need to make these wonderful pickled onions are the actual onions, red wine vinegar, actual red wine, and some jars. So let's start by boiling our jars for about 10 minutes. So now the next step is choosing the smallest ones. They're all baby onions, but some of them are smaller, you see. So I really want the smallest ones because the jars are not that big and the vinegar will go through the smallest ones faster as well. So they'll pickle faster. I don't know how many I'm going to need for those jars, but you know, I'm going to play it by ear. That's probably enough. So while the jars boil, I'm going to peel the onions. Now comes the crying. I was doing so well. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. So these are peeled. I'm gonna start with these, and then if it's not enough to fill up all the jars, I'll peel some more. The jars are ready. Ooh, ouch, hot. Alright, so now it's time to fill up the jars with our little baby onions. Fill them up all the way. I'm gonna choose the biggest ones for the biggest jars. I have a few left over, that's okay. So what are we gonna do next is, maybe I can fit one more in here. It's okay if you squeeze it. Ah, good. Okay, good. So now we're gonna add the red wine vinegar, 3/4 full, and then the rest we fill it up with the red wine. Good stuff. Okay, so just about there, and then the rest with the red wine. All the way, perfect. Now I'm going to close them. So I'm using reusable jars because it's okay. I mean, they close well. Plus these are going to be in the fridge anyway, so it's alright. So give it just a nice mix so the vinegar and the wine gets nicely mixed together. And that's it. So now these jars are going to go in the fridge all the way at the back, and these onions are going to change color, texture and flavor. They're going to be ready to eat in about 3 weeks. So 3 weeks from now, we'll be talking again. So excited. 21 days, guys. 21 days, and we'll have beautiful baby pickled onions to enjoy. So excited. Hi guys, it's time to check on the onions. They've been in the fridge for a little bit over 3 weeks and they should be ready for consumption, so let's check it out. Oh wow, so beautiful. Beautiful pickled onions. Yummy. Ready to be enjoyed. Look at these beauties. Remember when I said that they would be changing color, texture, flavor? They look great. Alright. Look at that. Oh, nice and crisp. You see that beautiful color? They look like they're purple onions. Well, they are purple now. Beautiful, beautiful. And so easy to make, guys. So good. And you know how normally pickled anything is really vinegary? This one isn't, because of the wine, right? A quarter of the liquid is wine, so it makes them nice and sweet. Super good, super easy to make, delicious pickled onions. This is something that you can enjoy in your sandwiches, on its own, or with your favorite meal. It also makes a nice gift. Imagine, you go visit someone, take a jar, right? This is how I enjoy them the most, with my favorite meal. Amazing. So yummy. The acidity is gone. They're just nice pickled little onions. Beautiful. Very nice. You gotta try it, guys. So this is it for this video, guys. Little baby pickled onions. Really easy to make and really delicious. Try it out. Olá pessoal, espero que tenham gostado deste vídeo. Estas cebolas são super fáceis de fazer e muito boas. Então, encher os frascos previamente esterilizados com as cebolas. Colocar vinagre de vinho tinto, 3/4 do frasco, e o outro quarto com simplesmente vinho tinto, o que quer que seja que tenham em casa. Guardar no frigorífico durante 3 semanas no mínimo. A partir das 3 semanas estão prontas para consumo. As restantes devem permanecer no frigorífico para se manterem fresquinhas e crocantes. Muito obrigada por verem o vídeo. Por favor, partilhem, subscrevam, deem o vosso like e não se esqueçam de keep up with Linda, tá? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any of my videos in order to keep up with Linda. Ciao!